So I've been waiting very patiently for these shoes to come in, and they're finally here. Oh, they're so cute! Oh, I'm so excited! Oh, these are fire! Hey y'all, it's Brittany, Bianca. Welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all are doing well. Hope y'all are enjoying your holiday. Well, like today is a holiday, but it won't be a holiday when you watch it. But nevertheless, I hope you're enjoying your day. Today I am doing a sneaker unboxing for y'all, and I'm really excited, y'all. Oh, I haven't done an unboxing video in a very long time, and I miss doing them so much. Just like a small disclaimer before I get into this video, I'm not a sneakerhead at all, like by any means. I love sneakers, like I love wearing them. I love the comfort of them and their versatility, but I'm not like a sneaker collector or like a sneakerhead or anything like that. I literally just want to show y'all like a pair of shoes that I got in the mail that I'm really excited about. Before I get started, make sure y'all are following me on my Twitter and Instagram at _Brittany Bianca so that we can keep in touch. Hey girl. Alright, let's go ahead and get into this because I'm very excited. So I have my bag here. It's my Puma bag. This is my first time ordering from Puma ever, so it's a whole new experience. Me and my friend were browsing through Puma.com, and then I ran across a really cute pair of sneakers, and I was like, oh, let me see them. And I looked at them and they were on sale, and I was like, send me the link, and then I bought them as quick as I could. These sneakers were originally $55 and they were on sale for $29.99. A steal. Y'all know I love me a good deal, y'all. So I've been waiting very patiently for these shoes to come in, and they're finally here. And I can't wait to open them. Let me get something to open the bag. Well, actually, looks like there's a hole here in the bag. Y'all done put a hole in it. Oh, I could just use the perforated line. Yeah, that would be smarter. There we go. Okay. Alright, so we got the box. So the sneakers that I got are the Turin 2 sneakers. Turin? Listen, I'm just gonna show y'all because I don't wanna butcher the name. Turin 2 sneakers. Turin, however you want to say it. But yeah, those sneakers, I got them in pink and white, and I thought they looked really cute. They were on sale, so I was like, let me go ahead and get them. So let's see how they look. Oh, they're so cute! Oh, I'm so excited! Oh, let me look at them. These are fire! Oh, they look so good. Alright, so let's just take a look at these up close. You can't really see the pink because of the lighting. I mean, you can see it, but it's not as pink on camera as it is in person. So it has this little tag on the side that says soft foam. That's talking about like the sole of the shoe. That's the material that it's made out of, I guess, for like, you know, additional comfort. So that's pretty cool. These look good. I'm so excited. I've been wanting like a pair of sneakers that had pink in them. The gold embellishment right here, like, I don't know, you can see it, like the gold logo right here, and on the back is sending me. So they got this soft foam business going on the sole. They have it like on the inside as well. And it feels like it's pretty soft. Feels like it's gonna feel good. I love the detail. Like, I like this stripe and how it does the same thing on the bottom and like goes around. Only thing I will say is that it looks like they're gonna crease really easily. Like, and I know that creases happen in sneakers, but I don't like them. Yeah, like this leather up here on top is like pretty thin. Like, I can see this creasing probably like after 1 or 2 wears. Which is whatever. I mean, you get what you pay for, right? These are originally $55, which is very reasonable for a name brand sneaker. So I'm not expecting them to be like, you know, super high quality, but they look like they'll be, you know, still good enough quality to, you know, wear and look good. So that's really all that matters to me. I am so excited about these shoes. Look at them! Look at them! Also, y'all, Puma is really cool because whenever you order something, if you register like as a customer, they give you free shipping, which is bomb. So if you haven't ordered from Puma before and you're thinking about it, definitely take advantage of that free shipping. I don't think they tell you either on the website, because my friend told me, but I don't remember like seeing that on the webpage. So that's a little tidbit. If you sign up as a customer, free shipping. Let me just slip these on really quickly. Nothing like a fresh pair of sneakers. I'm just gonna put these on. Oh, they might be a little bit small. Might be a little bit tiny, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna put on the other shoe and then just kind of like walk around in them a little bit, and then I'll give y'all an update on how they're feeling. Alright y'all, so I'm back and I am so disappointed. So I just like walked around my house, got a snack, and came back. When I put the shoes on, first of all, they're really comfortable. Like that soft foam on the bottom is not a joke. It is so comfortable. The sole is super comfortable. The shoes themselves are very lightweight, which I love so much. Like I love lightweight sneakers. Like I put them on and I was walking and it barely felt like anything was there. So that was really cool. I really appreciated that. Literally the only thing was the size, y'all. I was just like, ugh! I wanted them to fit so bad. So I guess next time I shop at Puma, I'm gonna get a 10 in men's instead of a 9. Like the 2 sizes down, converting from women's to men's is like a good general rule of thumb. But just like with clothes, with different shoe companies, sometimes they run smaller, sometimes they run larger. Like I know my sneakers that I got from Adidas, I got those in women's, and I got them in a size smaller than I would usually get because they run big. And it just so happens that Puma's sneakers run small. So it's just kind of, you know, what happens sometimes. I'm just, oh, my heart's broken. Maybe I'll exchange them for the correct size. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. Maybe I'll walk around in them a little more just to see, you know, if I can get them to stretch or something. I don't know, but all I know is my big toe was real cozy on the edge of that shoe. So I don't know if I should keep them. It's a really nice sneaker. They're still on sale. If you guys want to go ahead and cop them, I will certainly drop a link down below in the description bar for y'all. I got mine for $29. Right now they're on sale, but they're on sale for $39. So not as low, but still a good deal for them. So definitely take advantage of that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.